Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Legal IQ. Today's video is on jurisprudence. Basically, it's an introduction to jurisprudence. In today's video, we will discuss the scope of jurisprudence and different definitions of jurisprudence given by different jurists. Definition of jurisprudence. There is no uniform definition of jurisprudence. Reason: the subject matter of jurisprudence is law, and there is no uniform definition of law. Literal meaning of jurisprudence. Jurisprudence has been derived from two Latin words: juris, meaning law, prudentia, meaning wisdom, knowledge, philosophy, or science. Prudentia is basically ability to study by use of reason. Therefore, jurisprudence is the study of law by use of reason. It can be said that jurisprudence is the wisdom of law, or knowledge of law, or philosophy of law, or science of law. So basically, we do not deal with practically applicable pieces of law, rather, we try to understand it with its relation with different fields of study like ethics, history, psychology, politics, economics, sociology. Now we will study some important definitions of jurisprudence given by different jurists. The modern meaning of jurisprudence is the result of a course of evolution. There have been many attempts in the history in which many jurists tried to define jurisprudence in different ways. We can say that Alpian was the first person to give a proper definition of jurisprudence. According to Alpian, jurisprudence is the knowledge of things divine and human, the science of right and wrong. Then Paulus, law is not to be deduced from rules, but rules from law. Then Austin, in his book Province of Jurisprudence Defined, said that the science of jurisprudence is concerned with positive law, with laws strictly so called. Positive law, according to Austin, is the law made by a political superior for his subjects, the violation of which will impose sanctions upon him. So, according to Austin, jurisprudence has nothing to do with goodness or badness of law. Austin further derived laws into general or particular law, and the study of which into general and particular jurisprudence. General jurisprudence is for the purpose of studying law which is applicable on everyone, and the particular jurisprudence is for the purpose of laws which are particularly applicable to a person. Now we will study two similar definitions of jurisprudence. According to Holland, jurisprudence is the formal science of positive law. By formal science, Holland means various relations regulated by legal rules. According to Salmon, jurisprudence is the science of law. By law, he means civil law or the law of land. According to Salmon, there are three kinds of jurisprudence. First, expository or systematic jurisprudence, which means studying about the contents of actual legal system as it now exists, or when we study law as in the context of present scenario, it comes within the ambit of systematic or expository jurisprudence. Second is legal history, which relates to the process of development of law or the dynamic nature of law. Third is the science of legislation, which means how the law is made or how the governance of law is done. Salmon also classified Jurisprudence as general and specific jurisprudence. Now some more definitions of jurisprudence. Patterson. Jurisprudence is a body of ordered knowledge which deals with particular species of law. Julius Stone. Jurisprudence is lawyer's extra version. Dias. Jurisprudence has no proper meaning. It deals with structure, uses, and functioning of law and legal concepts. Keaton. Jurisprudence is the study and systematic arrangement of general principles of law. Hobbes, in his book Elementae Philosophiae, defined jurisprudence as it deals with the nature of national law, political government, and sovereignty. Blackstone. Jurisprudence is the study of science of law. Wurzel. Jurisprudence is the first of the social sciences to be born. Allen. Jurisprudence is the scientific synthesis of essential principles of law. Historical movement of jurisprudence is the revolt of facts against Fanny. Wayne Morrison. Jurisprudence is the corpus of answers to the question, what is law? Now we will study scope and uses of jurisprudence. As we all know, jurisprudence has diverse applicability with anything which is related to law. So it helps us to understand the nature of law. It helps us to study the rules of law by tracing out the principles which are underlying them. It helps in making scientific development. It helps us to properly understand expressions and terminologies. It helps us to relate law with other social sciences and study its consequences, etc. So that is all for this video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. And if you want us to upload more videos, please mention it in the comment box. Thank you for watching.